It's a nail. I see it, nail.
Well, that's good use.
You don't need to remove all, hon.
Remove it and then put it back.
It's repair time. Finally, nakarating po kami sa Valemount safe ni Buffy, and now start day 1, start ng bakasyon dito sa BC. But we need to repair this first before we gonna go. Ayan. Say something. What happened to that?
What?
What
Oh,
happened
there was a tornado came through here and it wrecked part of the fence, and I promised them, because I'm a nice guy, I said I'd fix it.
No, he backed in on the fence, guys, and he needs to replace it, so we're doing it right now. It's not yet straight, just a little bit.
I'm gonna have to undo it because
Kailangan may ay,
I don't like the way it's there. That'll never come apart now. A bit more, because when I let go, it's going to go back.
okay.
A little bit more yet. I hope it doesn't break anything.
Up, enough. Oh my god, enough. Ay, it's going there. Oh, that's enough. You're breaking it. That's going out now. It's going out. It's crooked.
To go in around 4 feet. So
Yeah, 1.5 is enough.
Once it's down in the ground, I'll have a little bit left off. I'll get the saw, I'll cut it.
It's too high. I'm sure. So how can you? So you can, or I'll do it. I can go up there. You need hand? I'll do it. Let's go po. Pag nahulog ka,
I had to buy that green paint.
I saw
It was
that.
the only green that I could find. Not a very nice match.
That's fine.
It's green.
It's inside, and almost you don't notice it.
That's right.
There's a nail, huh?
Yeah, there's a nail. I put it there. Is my shoe back? Here. Can you tighten it this top?
Really foggy here. So we're almost done, and one more time to push. Oh, it's go straight now. That's good. It's going straight. Oh ho, you got it. Yeah.
Can you tighten it?
It's nice. Good job. I have to go for a walk with Buffy. It's because she's fighting with the other dog. She's peeing. That's the house. That's the house where Andrew lives here. But he will be moving soon. He will be staying in a motel. He rented it for $2,200 a month. It's almost 88,000 Philippine money. That's for a month rental in a motel here in Valemount. Very expensive, guys, because most of the people here were pipeliners, so that's how they charge. That's how much they charge. Enough? That's enough, I guess.
I think so.
Yeah.
Well, now we'll put another one in.
Ayan guys, naka-check out ko lang, and so I have to go back to where Andrew is to help him fix again the fence, okay? Ang ganda ng, at least lumabas na guys yung araw. Ang ganda ng ano oh, yung mountain, grabe. It's a beautiful mountain. Oh, I was wrong. On the other way. Ayan, nakatour kayo guys. Mali ako ng pinuntahan. It should be on the other side, on the other road. Sorry naman dyan. Yan yung fire station nila. Ayan. Fire station ng Valemount. Ganda ng bundok. Grabe. It's very beautiful mountain. Umalis pa siya. Andito naman na ako. Ano ba yun si Lolo Andre? Umalis pa. Yan na siya. Ayan siya guys. Nasa harapan.